Okay. Hi. Hello, it's me again, and I'm back to say more words about my novel and about writing and things. So as of today, which is Sunday the 6th of July 2014, here in New Zealand, I am 5,000 words into my novel. That's probably a bit behind where I should be, according to the plan I outlined in the last video. I should be, I don't know, closer to 8,000 words, I guess. But that's fine. I am still going to make my goal of 100,000 words by the 31st of October. Yeah, so as I said, I'm on the first draft. I'm about 5,000 words in. Writing first drafts has always been an interesting experience for me. I have two modes, basically. The first one is that I write at a absolutely glacial pace, but I'm usually pretty happy with most of the words that I'm writing at the time. The problem is that it would take me about 20 years to write a novel if I constantly wrote like that, or I set my standards too high and give up. The other option I have is to write at a more reasonable speed, but feel terrible about myself as a writer and be convinced that I hate everything that I'm writing, but at least I finish things. I should definitely try doing the second one more often, but that's harder because obviously I hate myself when I'm doing it, so I tend to give up a little quicker. But actually this week it's been going pretty well, partly because it seems to be a sign from the internet or something. My Tumblr dashboard kept showing me this quote from Terry Pratchett, which is about the first draft being you telling yourself the story. And that was actually really helpful advice, because I can definitely tell myself stories. That's never the issue. In fact, I was a pretty weird kid and I always used to tell myself stories. I would just go and lie in my room for hours on end, completely silent, just lying on my back on my bed, and make up elaborate stories in my head. No stress. In fact, it was, I guess, a bit of stress relief. So that's fine. So I'm just gonna carry on doing that. After all, it's other people's opinions that bother me. And, you know, if I think I have to write something for people that they're gonna look at straight away, then I have a lot of pressure to get it right. But if I'm just telling myself the story, then it's gonna be a bit more fun. It's actually one of the reasons why doing NaNoWriMo, which I've done for the past, this will be my 5th year, I guess, works really well for me, because I've got a month, I've got 50,000 words, I have to get those words done. I can't second guess myself or overthink anything, I just have to write. So that works out really well for me, and I can focus on reaching my goal and get rid of all the rubbish later. And surprisingly, doing Nano, you actually come up with a lot of gems. I mean, there's some terrible sentence structure. I often find I repeat myself a lot, but within that 50,000 words, there's some really good ideas that I can rework later. So that's what I'm going to do with the novel I'm writing now. I'm going to just focus on getting the story down, telling it to myself, and then I can go back and edit it later and pull out all the gems and craft a really good novel. So, according to Google Docs, I am currently at 4,760 words exactly. I should hopefully be closer to 10,000 words by the next video, but we'll see. Obviously, I didn't make my goal for this week either, but I am going to get to 100,000 words, and I'm going to write more this week. So, maybe I'll have to lock myself in a room or something, but it's going to happen. Okay, other things novel related, I also set up Twitter and Instagram this week, so I'm there now, as well as on Tumblr, and I also have a blogspot blog which I've had for a while, but I'm going to update it with stuff related to my current novel as well, and you can find the links for all of those in the handy video description down there, you know, handy, where everything else lives. And that's me. I will see you next week for more crying over the sad state of my writing. Bye.